ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe and relax.
Ow.
What are you doing there?
Stretching these quads. Your low back hasn't been adjusted in forever, so the quads are going to pull on the pelvis, make it easier for me to do some further adjustments. Take a breath in, hold it, push your knee into the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe and relax. Okay. Go ahead and raise your left leg off the table again. And switch, right leg. So let's put this leg on top of this leg. There's always a trouble child. Okay, one more. And across for me. Raise the left leg off the table. Better. Right leg off the table. So not caught up to the right, but definitely improved.
Yeah.
Feeling more here, right there. Right there. Nice and easy. 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy. 3, 2, 1. All right, you gotta let me have this one, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Push back against me. And stop. Push back against me. I'm presetting these muscles, fatiguing them out. And stop. Push your shoulders and everything down into the table. Continue.
Hurts right here.
Okay. There.
Yeah. Like breast strap.
Push back against me again. Push back again.